Hey, what's up guys, this is me, your friend Darius. You all are watching Tech, and today in this video I'm going to talk with you about a best smartphone that you can buy under 10,000 with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor, and the phone is Tecno Pova. So without further ado, let's quickly get started. Talking about the display, you'll be getting is the IPS LCD display. If you talk about the size, you'll be getting is the 6.8 inches IPS LCD display. Talking about the OS, you will be getting is the Android 10 OS out of the box, which is skinned by their very own OS, which is known by iOS, and the version over here is 7.0. The processor you'll be getting is the MediaTek Helio G80, as I mentioned you earlier. If you talk about its GPU, you'll be getting is the Mali G52. The battery you'll be getting is the 6000 mAh big battery. Also inside the box you'll be getting is the 18-watt fast travel adapter. On the colors you will be getting is the three colors over here, which is Magic Blue, Dazzle Black and Speed Purple. If you talk about the variants, you will be getting is the two variants, which is 4 plus 64 and the another is 6 plus 128. The cameras you will be getting is the quad camera setup on the rear side. If you talk about the cameras, you will be getting is the quad cameras, as I told you, which is 16 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and the fourth camera is of AI camera. We will talk about that in a later part of this video. If you talk about 16 megapixel, it's a wide camera, and if you talk about its aperture, you'll be getting is the f1.8. The second camera, which is of 2 megapixel, which is of macro, and the third is a depth camera, and the fourth is AI camera. If you talk about the video recording, you will be easily capturing 1080p at 30 frames per second, and you will be able to capture 4K at 30 frames per second. Talk about the cameras on the front side, you will be getting is a single camera set, which is of 8 megapixel, and if you talk about its aperture, you will be getting is the f2.0, and if you talk about video recording on the front side, you will be getting is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Pricing, you will be getting is the 4 plus 64 GB variant at 9,999 INR rupees. If you talk about the second variant, which is of 6 gigs of RAM with 128 GB internal storage, that you will be getting at 12,000 rupees, which pricing on the online websites are 11,999, but as for me it's gonna be 12,000 rupees. So the pricing in USD, you will be getting is the 4 gigs of RAM with 64 GB internal storage variant at $135. The second variant, which is of 6 gigs of RAM with 128 GB internal storage at $162. These are my converting. If the phone will be available in different pricing, will be mentioned in the description, or you can say the comment section down below, so make sure you check it out afterwards. Not to mention which port is given over here for charging. It's a micro USB 2.0. The smartphone Tecno Pova, this is a really good smartphone, has considered the pricing segment, but if we go on the camera side, it's kinda negligent, because at this price point companies give 48 megapixel and you can find those smartphones really easily. But to balance that, they have given a 6000 mAh big battery and also the MediaTek Helio G80. So you're gonna be having a smooth experience while gaming, but if you go on the camera side, it's kinda bad over here. Also, as I told you, that AI camera, which I'm gonna talk you to over here, that AI camera acts as the photo. When you take it, it's gonna be providing more effect towards the AI and more clearance towards the photo. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like, share it among your friends, and subscribe to Tech for more tech related updates. By the way, this is me, your friend Darius, signing home. I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay with Tech. Peace.